How to fix unable to initiate call, please try again in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the unable to initiate a call, please try again error in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now the reason why you cannot initiate a call in WhatsApp can be due to your network being unstable. So you can head over to your Wi-Fi settings and just disconnect and then reconnect. You can just turn on your airplane mode and turn it off after a few seconds as well, and that should fix your issue. Now if that does not fix your issue and if your network is still the issue, head over to general on your settings, scroll down all the way, and there you should find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. There you'll find an option called reset network settings. Reset all of your network settings and you should be good to go. Now after doing that, your problem should get fixed, but if that does not fix your problem, you should just go to your general again, and there you will find an option that says VPN and device management. Make sure that you're not connected to VPN. If you are connected to VPN, just disconnect from there. Now after you do that, you can head back, and now the last step that we'll take is just head over to your app store, and after you're on your app store, search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, just open up WhatsApp and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If you see an update option right here, tap on update to update WhatsApp, and with that your problem should get fixed. That is all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.